Hey guys, John here with a very special and much hyped unboxing for you. That's right, you guessed it.
10S and 10S Max. I've been waiting in line for a better part of a decade. Got a little older, a little more tired, but I'm back and we finally have the phones to unbox, and all of our classics, including the original Senor Stabby, are here. If you've been watching Techno Buffalo since the old days, since that original iPhone video, let us know in the comments and give the video a thumbs up. We're gonna start with the 10S. This is 256, and then we got the same storage on the Max, both in gold, so they look different. We're just gonna do like an old school, fun unboxing. There's a billion iPhone videos out there, so we thought, you know, why not have some fun? We're gonna be doing a giveaway though of either an iPhone 10S or the 10S Max, so be sure to subscribe and turn notifications on so you know when that is coming. Also, Apple's, you know, they got the notch, say they're proud of the notch, but the notch is kind of hidden on the box. Kind of found that a bit interesting, but the box is pretty much like the same as last year's 10. And here we've got the 10S in gold. And I will say, we saw one of these earlier. The sides look awesome in gold. The back in person looks a little kind of pinky, but the sides are absolutely awesome. And in case you want to know what the cameras look like, since the cameras are the big difference here, especially with the 10 and the 10S, the shot you see right now looking right at me is actually being filmed with a 10S, and the shot straight down is being filmed with a 10, so you can see the difference in the quality. But again, the big difference here is the cameras, and the telephoto camera. Suppose it'll give you about twice as fast on the autofocus, but the telephoto camera is exactly the same, and both are 12 megapixel. So this is the 5.8-inch iPhone 10. It looks almost identical, save for the color, to the iPhone 10. Put these next to each other, can't really tell the difference. PPI is the same here as well. Actually, the PPI is the same on both phones. It's 458. So digging in the box, we've got ear pods, not AirPods, with the lightning connector. We got this is not going to charge your phone overly fast, but it is it's USB-A in here, and then we've got a lightning cable inside, and the stuff that you usually get in a box. Hello. It's also kind of interesting. It tells you place an iPhone with screen facing up on AirPower or Qi certified wireless charger. So still hope that we will see AirPower come out. Got a SIM removal tool in the box, which is always nice to have, and obligatory Apple stickers. So let's put all this back and let's take a look at the 10S Max, which is kind of the phone that I'm most excited about. It's the one that I'm going with just because it's different. It's a 5.8-inch screen versus a 6.5-inch screen on the Max, in case you were wondering. So open this sucker up. So here is a Max. First time I've actually held a Max. It feels like the Plus models did. Again, the same gold color on the back, but it does feel good. A big difference here between, you know, the 6 Plus and the other Plus models that we've had, 8 Plus, is that it's edge to edge, which is really nice. You get this bigger screen size. So again, same stuff that we had with the last phone. The other difference here, you got louder speakers, A12 Bionic, and that kind of stuff, but nothing giant. Just wanted to kind of do a fun unboxing, old school style of the iPhones. Again, of course, we're doing reviews, we'll do hands-on, impressions, comparisons, versus all the rest of that stuff. But again, if you've been watching for a while, let us know in the comments and give the video a like, we appreciate it. And giveaways coming up of one of these phones. So again, subscribe, turn notifications on so you know when that is coming. Wanted to have some fun. It felt like an old friend doing one of these old unboxing videos. Again, we haven't done this in a very, very long time, and I realized how young I looked many years ago. I'm grayer, hairline's moved back a little bit, but I still got the same passion for tech. My voice is a little less monotone than it was back then. So did you guys pick up an iPhone 10? Let us know. Did you decide not to pick up an iPhone? Maybe you're an Android person. Let us know in the comments down below. We'll have some fun. If you like these old school style of videos, want to see Senor Stabby make his comeback, also let us know. Hope you guys enjoyed. I am John Rettinger, and for one last time, what's up everybody? I am John Rettinger from Techno Buffalo. I'll see you guys in the next video.